I'm going to show you how to half double crochet into the back loop only. So first, we're going to look at the top of our work. Half double crochet can be a little bit tricky because there is also a third loop. So make sure you really rotate your work and look at the very top. So you'll see the very tops of your stitches are comprised of 2 loops. And then there's that front third loop. So looking at the top of your work, the loop that's closest to you as it faces you is the front loop, and the loop that's furthest from you as it faces you is the back loop. So to half double crochet into the back loop only, you'll start your row with however many chains your pattern says, and we're going to place a half double crochet into the back loop only. So to do that, we're going to yarn over, find your next stitch, insert your hook into the back loop only, draw up a loop, yarn over, and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. And that's it. Let's do it again. Yarn over, insert your hook into the back loop only of your next stitch, draw up a loop, yarn over, and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. So yarn over, insert your hook into the back loop only of your next stitch, draw up a loop, yarn over, and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. The more you do it, the more fluid you'll get, and you'll just repeat this process for however many times your pattern says to half double crochet into the back loop only.